So these are market analysis, and we want to see where opportunities might lie for us in the market, right? So first of all, let's look at what the dollar index is doing. So most important thing, first of all, to look at what is it that's going to influence the dollar index today, right? So we have a couple of major events today, right? The most important ones here is the most important one is the FOMC. The FOMC is like the interest rate data for the US. It's called FOMC, and it comes out on Wednesday, today by 8 p.m. And also there's going to be a press conference by 8:30 today, right? So yes, this is the data that will impact the market the most today. Right, so we have another one at 2:15, which is ADP non-farm payroll. So ADP non-farm payroll might actually move the market a bit, but a lot of traders do not trade it. A lot of traders do not trade it. So, but mainly the FOMC is what's going to really move the market today. All right, from what we're also after the rate itself is released, the press conference usually is what a lot of traders listen to. You know, that's when the Federal Reserve Chairman will be speaking a lot about what is going to happen going forward. You know, so yeah, that's the major thing we have that is like to move the market today. All right. So and the dollar index is we've been looking at the dollar index rallying to this point. You can see the dollar index has been in this range, just ranging. No really clear direction, no real clear direction now for some time, right? For probably since last week or so, no real clear direction. Goes up, comes out, goes up, comes down, you know. So, but what we're anticipating is that today, it's likely that the news event that's coming out today is likely going to push price somewhere, right? It will make price to sell, the dollar index to sell, or it will make it to buy, right? So this is the area where we expect price to start to reverse from. So we're expecting now price to buy from here and get to this point. I expect price to come to this point and then start to reverse from there. So if it starts to reverse from there, then that will be a good point for us to get into a trade, right? So that's what we're looking at. So at this point now, we'll be looking at what effect does it have on the other currencies like Euro USD. Most likely when that happens, Euro USD is going to be somewhere around here or maybe under here. So we might see Euro USD we might see Euro USD push down to this area here. We have a trend line here somewhere. We have a trend line here. Yeah, so we have one trend line here going through this area. So price may actually, on Euro USD, price may actually push down to this point and trigger somewhere around here and then buy. If that happens during the FOMC, that will be a major, that will have a major impact, and that will give us a very good opportunity for a buy trade, you know. And when that happens, definitely we will also see that the dollar index would have hit this area here, you know. So those are the things we are looking at. I'm not going to be personally trading a lot today before the news comes out. I will just mainly be waiting for, you know, what price does somewhere around here. You know, after that news comes out, that news is going to come out 8 p.m. Nigerian time, which is GMT +1, you know, so it's going to be evening. And once that news happens, it's most likely going to give a new direction to the market. Most likely going to give a new direction to the market, right? Yeah, so let's see what we have here. Okay. So this is AUD-JPY. For AUD-JPY, AUD-JPY have been stuck around this trend line for a while. So if we look at it from a higher time frame, so AUD-JPY sort of has been in some kind of a range for some time, has been in some kind of a range for a bit of time, right? You know, so what I'm looking at it doing here now is that it looks to me like AUD-JPY is about to sell, you know, sell from here all the way down to maybe this area here. This area will be a good point to target, right? So yeah, so this is what I'm looking at right now, because this trend line, AUDJPY has been stuck on this trend line for some time, stuck on this trend line. Now it broke out of the trend line. So breaking out of the trend line tells me that price is about to sell, right? It tells me that price is about to sell, but how far will that sell go? That's what I'm also going to be watching for. Okay, so this is what I'll be anticipating a sell trade on AUDJPY, a sell trade. So no, a sell trade. Sell trade here. So 20 pips will be my stop loss there. I'll put my stop loss at 20 pips. I'll put my stop loss at 20 pips. I'll take my take profit to somewhere around 50 pips. 50 pips is where my stop loss is, where my take profit is going to be. So this is what I'm expecting the price to do right now. This is what I'm expecting price to do right now. I'm expecting price to, hit this area. Currently, so yeah, so I'm expecting price to hit this area and then sell off from there, right? So if you're entering this trade right now, and this trade is going to be like an instant execution trade from here. But anywhere around this area here is a good point for an entry. So personally, I'll be entering around this area now for a sell. Enter for a sell around this area, and then our stop loss is going to be around where? Our stop loss is going to be, so stop loss, take profit, stop loss, right? So let's see. Let me put out the parameters here. Let me put out the parameters here. So the entry price is AUDJPY, AUDJPY, sell trade. Okay, so instant execution at market price, at current market price. So current market price is also known as instant execution. Current market price also known as instant execution. So you enter that one. Then what we want to do is set our stop loss, take profit. So stop loss, take profit. Let's check stop loss, take profit. So our stop loss, this is our stop loss value. This is our stop loss value here. So we said we're expecting it to sell. So that's our stop loss value. Then our take profit, let's check for our take profit now. What our take profit will going to be, take profit, okay. Okay, so these are take profit here. So we have AUDJPY, enter current market price, So anywhere inside this zone right now is entry price. Anywhere inside this zone right now is entry price. So when you enter there, you can sell, enter for a sell, AUDJPY sell, and then enter there and set your stop loss and take profits. Okay, so that's what we'll be looking at there right now on this trade. Yeah, so that's the target I have on this trade right now. So that's AUDJPY trade. Okay, so if you're on this call, this is a trade that you should take, right? Let me copy this and put it in the comment section. Let me put it in the comment section. Okay. Okay, so that's AUDJPY trade right there. Let's see what else we have. Okay. USD CHF, no clarity here. So like we said, we're expecting a lot today from we're expecting a lot today, right? From the news, USD news and all that. So a whole lot is happening today. BTC is actually a good trade right now. BTC is a good trade. BTC is a buy trade. We're expecting BTC to buy. Okay, we're expecting BTC to buy. So when you're trading BTC, know that you're going to trade BTC with a very tiny lot size, very tiny lot size, very tiny lot size. That's how you trade BTC, very tiny lot size, right? Okay, so yeah. So BTC trade now is at BTC is going to be a buy limit. BTC USD buy limit. BTC USD buy limit. Okay, let's see. BTC USD buy limit. So what's the buy? So we'll look at the buy price there. Entry price. Entry price. Stop loss. Take profit. Take profit. Right. So yeah. So let's check what the entry price is. Entry price is 42,000. We are expecting the BTC to buy, right? We're expecting BTC to buy. That's the entry price, 42,752. That's the entry price we're targeting. And then so we're expecting it to buy. For stop loss, 42,092. 42,092. Okay. And then take profit. Let's look at take profit. Take profit 43,744. 43,744. Okay. So this is the price we have. This is our entry trade on BTC USD. All right. BTC USD is our entry price on entry trade on BTC USD. This is a buy limit trade. Okay. A buy limit trade there on BTC USD. A buy limit trade on BTC USD, right? Okay. So these trades, yeah, so let's see what else do we have. Do we have any other trade? Any potential trade? Any other potential trade? Okay. Okay, so at this time, we do not have any other potential trades setting up. So like I said, we're expecting that by this evening, FOMC is going to drive the market really heavy, right? So we're going to be watching for that trade on FOMC. It's later in the week, we have NFP as well, NFP on Friday. So NFP on Friday is going to be something we're going to be watching as well. So that's something we're going to be trading, so keep an eye on that. All right. So thank you guys. If you're watching this video on YouTube, right? So this video was definitely these Vantage markets, right? So what you want to do is there are going to be two links under this video, right? So what you need to do is click on the Vantage link and create an account to trade live with us, right? To trade with us. That's the way we're doing these trades right now. You can trade with us by clicking the link to create an account on Vantage Market. So scroll to the bottom, click the link to create an account on Vantage Market. And also there's going to be a second link, and that link is to join our Telegram group. Once you click the link, it will take you straight to our Telegram group. So our Telegram group is where we give daily trades. Before we did this analysis, now we already give about three trades in the group this morning. So every morning we give out trades in the group, so you can always click that link and join our Telegram channel, where you have all these updates that we do. We have a lot of updates concerning trading, concerning our trainings, concerning trading signals, a whole lot of things that we do there, right? Basically to improve your ability to make profits in the market, right? So click the link below and then create your account with us to trade with us like this, and also to join the Telegram group. Okay. Thank you.